It's competition time, so open an account with World Sports Betting using the promo code DSTV50 and automatically go into a draw to win one of 10 1,000 Rand cash prizes. You get your prize doubled in free bets if your account has had any deposits made. The competition will run until the 31st of May 2021. Terms and conditions apply. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Orlando Pirates 1, AmaZulu 0. CAF Champions League qualifier, actually. If you think about it, it was a qualifying match for the Champions League. But of course, we'll find out in the next couple of weeks if Pirates or AmaZulu or even Golden Arrows will get into the CAF Champions League spot as number 2. Remember, number 1 is already Sundowns. Number 2 is unconfirmed at this point. AmaZulu have the upper hand because they have the points in the bags. The Pirates, they have the game in hand. If they win it, then there's only 1 point difference with 2 games to go. It's going to be exciting. Junior Khanye is always our analyst. Tough game to watch in terms of entertainment. First half. Second half, there were coaches fighting. There was uMhango's individual brilliance. It came into life in the second half. Yes, sir. Easy.
Justice.
Easy.
Unfortunately, keep on supporting iDiskiTV. We're fighting no one, trying to fix South African football. I think South African football, many change the mentality. Either we go fluid, or it's young energy. The South African football will improve if they can be fluid, and then by extending the energy, it pairs with fluid. Because
explain.
I think explaining some about fluid, we must know what you have to play. Start us apply with Dada. Mangabin Dada, if 4-3 or 3-4-3, any or 4-4-2 or 4-5-1, Ipola started at the back. We're gonna apply that from a training. And then from there, the middle, if it's not on, we go backwards, midfield they must get forward. If we can know that uba fluid, Ipola live gube na mathacha maningi before we can score. Guma error right, uba fluid whereby they flow player. You understand? Each and every game maybe we score. No mangabi against a go on kama game, but Ipola liqale the back le midfield le go phambili. It's a goal. If I go on, we start at the back. You understand? So mangabe the reason it made about change this thing energy. We go with speed without thinking. One, go into the game. Both teams, Pirates and AmaZulu, I was disappointed in the first half. Kalang speed as one without thinking. There was no game management, but depending on who to my playground in. The coach Pirates and Bonita Lisuzong left me. But credit to Labanda at the back door playing Yauza, no Mayela, but going forward, they want to never tested whereby they will move off the ball.
Yeah.
The question is what are they going to cope? Yeah, and I'm trying today credit because Boy Chugule center back, he did extremely well. Also the goalkeeper, wing back, very disappointed. Ipola bampasa so ufuna ungena phakathi bazopress strike. Ufuna uphasa goalkeeper ngeshot. Yabona Orlando Phambi, or ufuna uphasa I center back yakho. Nakhona akakwazi ukuyiphasa yakhe. Iba ne open body.
Which wing back is that?
Ngikhuluma ngoNdlovu. Uyeke iball bheka le bhola lekalidlula. Bamphasa uyalischarge lapho. Uyenze boma 3-4 times. First half beka triple abantu.
Yeah.
Simple, open body. Iyaza lengwenya open body okanye dlala first time elane. Left back Marco doing very well. Credit to them. Lengwenya in terms of position the Undlovu disaster. But to defender ngiyamnika credit. About 4 in the back, at the back.
Yeah, because one of the things that you always say about Wade Yoster is that tactically there's no discipline, meaning he spends more time forward than defending. With Undlovu, on the ball, he's not pretty,
discipline.
But when you need 4 people at the back, he's going to be the fourth
That's
person.
why ngisho in terms of ukuspana ngiyamnika. Tactically discipline. They were compact. They were playing zonal mark whereby if people are not left here, they go sweep. Maila come nearer. If they can master it, I'm easy. No man I'm trust to Nyauza and Mayela, but if they can master it, they must be nearer to each other.
Yeah.
And then encourage more discipline. I prefer Mabaso than Upen Mutswar, but well, Jobangisho Kulego, we're telling open which is uPen bengimbona lahlekile. First half, him and Munari bebanga combine. Mina will start either uPen or uPen or Munari as the anchor. Bese ngifaka uMtambo and ulo mfana uNkanyiso Zungu. That Nkanyiso must play. Is more creative. Like he play forward just there to ukuthi bamdropa too much akakwazi ukul support and akana speed. So you need him as number 10. Mangabe udlala nga two anchors let's say ngabaso nomnari. Play more number 10 phambi kwabo basupport labantu abayithi. Up front Mhango I'm happy. Dala ngitshela Yingwenya le. Can play around anywhere in the world. He's got a big heart, he's got a balance, good technique, individual just that into kumele ilungise enga na sometimes he must pass it. But ukupass ila psychologically. Akafuni but you can't blame ngeke umbe ngaphandle never to any player for Pirates. Look at the ball scored. So benga combine i-attack yabo. Ibola belingafiki, you know why? In the middle. Lomfana uNkanyiso was playing more left midfield. Labantu abayithi uMnari noPen badlala ngokufana. Ibola bapasa sideways. iDiskiTV can play long ball marliza nge-short. Mina litrap kunomuntu emva kwakhe ngikhuluma ngoHoto. And you know first touch uHoto can't deal with it. You understand? So dribbling is not good. Ugrand uHoto if umpasa let's say uphile off ngespeed athwele ibhola endleleni ugrand ngaloku either I shoot or cross. You understand? So benga balance ngoba uHoto thinking bengekho. Lodge heavy body. Coach must play him. He's not my fan. Angsi fan galodge, but compare my player Pirates, he's got something special. And there's no player that has ever scored Pirates derby. Ulochi another thing I'm a player manyanga nayo. Him and Mhango, you can't even leave them. Mhango, I love him gaming. But Ulochi aksi mini best player, but compare my player Pirates no. He's got something I'm a player Pirates now. So play Lochi, play Mhango. Vincent Pule, mina coach, I think it's a first time I say is up by 7 ngoba.
Yeah, Pule for Hoto, that was a good sign.
Yeah, because ngule uma ngamcheko Pule sometimes bekabeka ibhola enyaweni bekushethe umuntu onjalo thinking. Ngoba uHoto bekarana. Nolocha rana. Noma ngarana bekufuna kuyi1 average. Sometimes noma ngabe rana dribbling high. And ispanile nguleko. Ispanile isap yakhe especially ngoPule, ispanile. Leka mabaso nomnaro ngi understand. You understand? So
right, let's have a look at AmaZulu.
AmaZulu.
Yeah, man. I mean, they kept on trying to play it wide, but there was nothing coming in from wide, especially Uzukile Kowuti, the left wing. He's not a left wing back, actually, he's a central midfield. Every time it was going to him, Ndlovu was always there, and the ball was coming back all the time. How did they lose this game?
I'm disappointed. AmaZulu abantu abaningi bazothi uJunior is bias is jealous no problem. What I'm saying ngala mehlo nangale ngqondo. Adlala one European style. They go sideways, programmed. They rely on individual talent. Molenga, Memela, I can't say much. Male striker this team. Memela mature, yeah, because he sometimes cross the polar crane. But rely on individual talent. He pola suala ite pek. But la badlali kuzozitheba 10 behind defense. He cross. Play behind defense. And then either umlenga take him on, he cut in, or he cross it first time malfika kumamela. Mangab mamela ngenyawo lakhe. Okuqalinge either he take you on or he put it first time. So barila individual talent. And badlala ngespeed S1 from the first whistle. The problem ile bengitshela ukuthi mawuthi bazowina ileague. Mina I didn't say
that.
No, like not you.
When we were talking about it.
Yeah, we like your Kumbura school. Sure. Not to say to you. No, you
just to put it on record. Just put it on record.
Yeah. No, you never said you just said Junior.
What do you think about them winning the league?
Yeah, I remember.
Well, maybe let's go to the conversation here, Champions League, because I think that's going to be a very tough one now. Orlando Pirates know that they need to go to the Champions League. They are a serious team. Serious teams play in the Champions League every season. AmaZulu nabo, this will be an incredible achievement for them if they go to the Champions League. How do you see this one going? Because it's going to be neck and neck. It's not going to be easy for both teams.
Anguleko mina ngizaba nevar kuwe. Mina gule you saying one team to Champions League between Pirates and AmaZulu.
Yes, that's what we're talking about.
For me, mina I see AmaZulu ajo. Effect ukuthi that is going to be tough for them to drop points. Yabo, Pirates any anama point already.
Yeah.
So Pirates they will drop a couple of points. Even khona igame I think ezoyithrow iPirates ingamelanga ithrow. So I don't see them winning ukuthi by AmaZulu azoya Champions League because effect I'm being honest to you my brother. AmaZulu game they are not fluid. Abadlali crane ngama department they playing a speed S1 but individual playing experience. Azange play Paris up front. Emela former Paris players sibe kanjalo.
Qalinge Memela Majoro Somemulenga.
So into abayenza abastebeleza at the back. 2 Makaula if is there. Stebe.
Oh, by the way, Makaula must be midfielder of the season. I'm just putting my hand up there. Who nominated Nguyeno Rivaldo. No, Makaula, Rivaldo, no Tembazwane. For me, Samisanda said Makaula.
Yabona na kusisikhathi kuba endaweni wrong. A very good player to be endaweni wrong. Masikhuluma nge-enke fluid. Alengwenya zibhola yabo. Mfanele azibhola. Nale kasabuyela kule mhlaki ngizela azibhola ngobningi iziboni. So right.
So unika AmaZulu I Champions League.
Abazongena AmaZulu. Yeah.
All right. Last question. Tyson wasn't there today. There was a combination Ganyahuza and Mayela. Uchele was on the bench as well. What do you think? Say Pelili season. Pirates iyanjani next season in terms of that centre backs. Tyson eqaleni nje and then
all of them, 4 of them. But no.
Abazophuma bonke.
100%.
Okay, abazophuma bonke.
I'm making a mistake. Marco, can they leave Marco? Marco, with the proper coaching, Marco, and then you build it. Game, angithi angibuza mamele ngiphendule.
Yeah, obviously.
If bangathola ubuhle mkhwenazi, ungabona mfana Swallows, olihlabika. And then they get the right back. Nalo mfana lo, if they could, for a backup, Sibusiso Khumalo. I know abanye abantu bamrate off, ngobuya which is hlusha manjani. Nandi kakhulu left back, Sibusiso Khumalo.
I don't think they're gonna change. Remember, you have Marco, you have Sam, and Mayela. You already have 3. You already have 3 left backs, so I don't think they're gonna go
Marco Ulo, Usem akatetele, because Usem has been there. We are Celtics, no improvement. I'm sorry, he's not gonna stay for.
So I'm just saying, in terms of you thinking a technical team, they will think that they already have 3 left backs.
Okay, good.
They have Mayela, they have Sam, they have Marco. I don't think they're gonna go to the market and look for a left back.
Okay, sharp. Can they leave Marco and get to uMhango? No, for me.
Sure.
A right back for me. A right back. Bangahlala nondlovu but mina ngimprepare. I don't prefer
him.
I don't prefer him. They must get the proper, even if he's a youngster, from the MTC. Ngoba kure ku PSL angamboni mina umuntu more of clever to play as a wing back le bayidlalayo. Umuntu comfortable on the ball or decision making okay. Okwazidila ne one on one. So they must get mfana mhlambe kungathi from their MTC ngoba i-team yabo okanye kupelepele ngayibukele kahle.
Yeah, I think Utabiso Munyane they were trying him as a right back.
He
never played. All right, so that's your preference then. That's pretty much that then, guys. CAF Champions League second position is going to be very interesting between AmaZulu and Orlando Pirates. Pirates already have shown ukuthi bayayifuna namhlanje because they got the 3 points. We'll find out on Sunday if they can beat TS Galaxy, and then there will be 2 more matches for everyone on Wednesday and on Saturday. That will be the end of the season. We'll find out on Saturday who will be the second team to join the Mamelodi Sundowns at DSTV on Facebook as well. We're sponsored by World Sports Betting, WSB.co.za. Thank you very much for watching us.